So it was English period, was first period. And then the miss was talking about the a power maneuver thingy. And then I sneezed. And then she was like, is there a problem? So I'm not just told him, I must can't I sneeze must now. So Jordan told me I must keep my mouth. So I kept my mouth. But like I'm also getting that because like what you mean I can't never sneeze in the class. Anyways. So the bell rang, the period was not over. So I moved one desk to the front. Only one desk because like I'm just there by the door. Like if she say leave, then I can must not just I just move one desk. So she's like, go to the must not go, like I must move back to my own seat, must not. So I turned around, so I mumbled something under my voice, and then I went back to my seat. So she was like, what you mumbling there under your voice? I don't know what, but she said
Say
something
it with
so.
your chest.
And then she said, I must say it with my chest. And then there it just started. I can't even remember half what I said, but he was tried. Oh, and so what did happen after that?
Yeah, so they were just throwing maka of you not all that in
Must,
video.
yeah, she saw my tell for me, I'm not all that. So I tell you, guys all that.
Jasmine's not special. She's not all that. She mustn't keep her there on top because she's not by master's level in a
All
vitivati.
of this stuff. And then I was like, yeah, but you can give me crumbs by my back and stuff like that. And Musna, and then she was like, yeah, but I'm not all that. And I can guys remember. And then Mr. Dan confronted me. But before that, so I hooked out of a class because like she said to my the last row, the other side must because of the like must be arguing for so long. Oh, I don't know, but I really don't know what was it. I was so quiet.
So we were just going back and forth,
I
man.
just like bring out everything that I was keeping in, like, because every single time she wanted to take her bad moods out on us, which is very much unfair. Because what you mean I can't sneeze in that class? That is so my problem. And I told Mr. Tan because Mr. Tan would confront me. And then after that, so Mr. Dan said I mustn't be disrespectful. And would you wait? Do I feel like I was in the wrong? So I said, I don't know. Maybe I was because I was not back chat the most and everything. And then he said, yeah, but you didn't know how the most would feel. And you did it in front of the whole class now. So I just, no, I have lots of respect for Mr. Dan. So I was just went with this, but it's unfair most because at the end of the day, the teachers don't see what, like, how they treat us and everything, no? Like, obviously, Miss Dan is going to take that miss aside because she's a miss and he's going to believe everything she says. But that whole class knows how that lady is, literally, that whole class knows. But yeah, I'm sorry for the long voice, no?